Trapezoids. The area of a trapezoid is the average of the bases, base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, times the height. So in this problem, you have to understand the bases are the parallel sides. So base 1 is 6 root 7. The second base is 20 root 7. So I'll add those up and divide by 2, times the height, which is 7 root 2. Well, 6 root 7 plus 20 root 7 is 26 root 7, divided by 2, times 7 root 2. So this is 13 root 7 times 7 root 2. And 13 times 7 is 91. So 91 root 14. The area of a trapezoid is the average of the bases times the height. We always label area in squares, in this case centimeters squared.